Alright, I'm going to try to fix the broken glass from this camera Galaxy S7, and it's very simple. And all I'm going to use a pair of tweezers. I may need this little sharp screwdriver. I bought this couple of pieces, cost only $5 online. Make sure you get good quality. Doesn't cost that much. Like I said, it's just a few dollars. You know, genuine parts will be the best. And the most important part of this is the hair dryer. Now, before you turn your hair dryer and start blowing on the job, make sure that you put these pieces somewhere so they don't blow away. Alright, so we're going to start by just heating up that glass. Make sure you don't spend a lot of time on this. You just want to heat it up enough so you can take the glass out. If you get it too hot, you may damage the camera. So just simply keep it there, probably for about 30 seconds. This is in a very high setting. And now I'm just going to stop right now. And let me see if I can start poking some of the glass away. I just punch a hole right through there. And that's where I'm going to start trying to get the whole piece out. One thing you have to be careful once you do this is you don't want to leave dust in your glass and your camera. So make sure that you do get everything out of there. So right, I'm just trying to get the shatter glass out of there. Just all coming out in pieces, but that's okay. Alright, let's see. I think that I got everything out of there, but I just need to make sure that I clean all that. I don't think there's anything left. Okay, I think I got everything out of there. I'm going to try to blow it off a little bit with the hair dryer, but first I'm going to clean everything out of there before it blows away. Alright, so you're probably coming from the corner here. So I just peel the back part of it. Now I'm going to take the other part and we're going to do the same thing. Just peel the back part of it, just like that. And I want to stick that there. That's why the tweezers kind of become handy, because it's easier to position it right. So now you see I have all that attached to it. Okay, I'm just kind of pressing on it, making sure I got all that. It's kind of the sticky part of it. And then I'm going to peel that out of there. So now I peel that off. All the sticky parts actually has been left on the glass. So I'm going to take that glass, and all I'm going to do is just place it, not too sure. Right, because it makes no difference now, so as I looked at it. I'm going to put it in there. Get a little rag. Going to press on it. Now make sure that you press on it gently. You don't want to crack the glass again. Once you've done that, let's peel this part off. And we're done. Okay, as you saw, that's a very easy job. Just do it nice and slowly. Use your tweezers, don't leave any glass there. Clean that up really good. You should do it in 10 minutes or so. So have a great day. I hope I've been able to help you.